Cocaine and crack are both stimulant drugs that can be bought on the street. They are similar in some ways, but also different in other ways. Cocaine is a white powder that is a more natural substance that comes from the coca plant that is found in areas of South America. It's a more pure version of the drug, and it is something that, when entering into your body, can flood your dopamine system and typically will last anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, definitely with highly addictive properties. Crack, on the other hand, is a derivative of cocaine. In other words, it is made with cocaine, but typically mixed with other substances or impurities, including things like baking soda, flour, or talcum powder. And so it is more cheaply made and more cheaply distributed on the street. It also comes in a rock formation, so it is smoked and inhaled, although in some instances people have been known to inject crack as well. Crack will enter the bloodstream more quickly and then into the brain, and that can happen within a couple of seconds. And actually, crack lasts a lot shorter of a time, typically 5 to 10 minutes, but leaves the user wanting more. Cocaine will also leave the user wanting more, but crack has a much more powerful effect on the brain and can be a lot more dangerous in that it instantaneously will impact the brain and body, leaving you at a higher risk for heart attack, seizure, or stroke.